In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create campaigns in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with email campaigns, this guide will walk you through the steps to set up an efficient and engaging campaign. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. Here you'll find various options, but for today's task, you'll want to zero in on campaigns. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the campaign section of your dashboard. Now, this is where the magic begins. You'll see a button labeled Create a Campaign. By clicking this, you're on your way to crafting your campaign tailored perfectly to your audience. Now that you've taken the plunge and clicked to create a campaign, it's time to get a bit creative. Let's start by naming your campaign. Think about your audience and the message you want to convey. It could be something straightforward like October newsletter, or more event-specific, like product launch. After naming it, you need to choose the type of campaign you're going to run. ActiveCampaign offers several types: standard for those regular one-time emails, automated when you want triggered emails, split testing to compare different subject lines or content, and RSS triggered to automatically send updates from your blog. Once you've made your pick, click Next. With your campaign type chosen, it's time to decide on your audience. In this step, you'll select the email list or segment that you want to target with this campaign. Take a moment to ensure you pick the right list that aligns with your campaign goals. Once confident, go ahead and click Next to continue shaping your campaign. Of course, a key part of your campaign is the design. You can choose from a variety of templates or unleash your creativity using the drag and drop builder to start from scratch. This is where you'll add your subject line, integrate images, compose your text, and set up your call to action button. Personalization can make a world of difference, so consider adding contact fields like your subscriber's name. Pro tip: always aim to keep your email short, engaging, and mobile friendly. This approach ensures your message is clear and easily digestible on any device. As we approach the final steps, you'll click Next and be taken to a summary page. Take this time to review all the details of your campaign carefully. Verify the from name and address, double check the subject line, confirm the sending list, and decide when you want the campaign to go out. Finally, it's decision time. You have two options. Hit Send Now to send the campaign immediately, or select Schedule to set a specific date and time in the future. After making your choice and clicking Finish, your campaign will be ready to reach your audience. And there you have it. Your campaign is on its way, ready to engage and inform your audience. Happy campaigning, and thank you for joining.